Basa Air Base plays a very important role in territorial defense. As you can see, we have here our FA-50s, which plays a very crucial in defending our territory. And as well as Basa Air Base Hospital also plays a major role in maintaining the fighting strength of our pilots and crew.
We at SM Foundation are committed to providing ongoing support for the care and upkeep of this facility.
Para sa akin kasi ang pasyente, pag mas maganda yung nakikita nila, maganda yung environment nila, mas nakakatulong siya sa paggaling ng mga karamdaman nila.
Maraming salamat po dito sa aming blessing na natanggap sa SM Foundation. Deserve ng mga sundalo natin na makatanggap ng ganito. Never in our wildest dream na makatanggap ang Basa Air Base ng ganito kagandang opportunity. Magkaroon ng mataas na moral ang ating mga pasyente, lalo na po ang ating mga sundalo.